Good morning, students. Today in this video we will discuss the second topic, particle theory of matter, of the first chapter, matter and its composition. This chapter has 5 topics: matter, particle theory of matter, states of matter, composition of matter and differences between the 3 states of matter. The first topic we have completed in the school. The second topic, particle theory of matter. Let us see this topic, particle theory of matter. This topic has 3 subtopics: theory, factors and arrangement of particles. So theory, what is the particle theory of matter? It says that matter is made of very small particles. Any matter, every matter, whether it is in solid state, liquid state or gaseous state, any state of matter, whether it is glass, water, wood, plastic, paper, cloth, metal, anything or everything is made of very small particles called atoms or molecules. These small particles are called atoms or molecules. So now you will think that what are atoms? Atoms are the smallest particle which cannot be broken again. Atoms are the smallest particle, means which cannot be broken. The smallest particle which cannot be divided or broken, that smallest particle of any matter is called atom. So suppose this is an object, and if we break it into pieces, suppose it is broken into halves. So this half, if we break again, it will become again 1/4. Then we will take this quarter part and again we will break it. So we will go on this process, we will continue this process again and again. But at a stage will come when the particle, the small piece cannot be broken. It cannot be broken by any physical method. So that smallest particle, that smallest piece is the atom which cannot be broken. And what are molecules? Molecules are made of atoms, means 2-3 atoms combine together to form molecules. So now it is clear what is the particle theory of matter. Matter is made of very small particles, atoms or molecules. Atoms are the smallest particle which cannot be divided, which cannot be broken into pieces. Then factors. What are factors? Factors are interparticle force and interparticle space. These two factors decide whether a substance will be solid, liquid or gas. What are they? Let us start. Interparticle force. See here in this object, you can see this is suppose this is a tin can and water is kept, any liquid is kept here. These are the particles of the liquid. So here in this liquid, we can see particles are close to each other, but some space is also there in between. So these particles have a force of attraction. What is force of attraction? Force to attract the other particle. These particles have certain force to attract other particles, and that's why they have come close to each other. This is called interparticle force. Now what is interparticle space? Interparticle space is the space between particles. You can see the space here, vacant spaces are there between the particles. They are called interparticle space. Now these two factors decide whether a substance will be solid, liquid or gas. We will see how they decide. These two factors decide whether a substance will be solid, liquid or gas in the third subtopic, arrangement of particles in solid, liquids and gas.